This is a one-owner 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland Edition. There are 8 cylinders, 5.7 liters. The vehicle history reports show no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage reported. This Overland has a towing capacity of up to 6,200 pounds. Here is the back, and you can have a cover if you would like to cover your belongings. Nice and convenient. And then here's where your spare tire is. You have aluminum alloy rims. Let's zoom in so you can see the tread on the tires. Let's go inside now. The interior has a nice panoramic sunroof. Nice and give you an open feel. Here is the back row. Near back passengers have heated seats as well as a 115 volt outlet and then USB ports as well. We'll go up front. You have dual power seats. Here's the passenger seat. And then up here is where your sunroof controls are. I'll go ahead and close it. Your navigation screen is where your backup camera is. You have a heated steering wheel, dual climate control, a collision warning, eco drive. Here, I'll go here so you can see. There's your heated seats. You have vented seats as well. It also is equipped with park sense. There are no caution or warning lights on. There's your steering wheel controls for audio. You also can have the option to drive in manual if you'd prefer with the paddle shifters. There's power locks, power windows, seat memory, and this cruise control area is also where your park sense buttons are. It is a push start, and in here you have your auxiliary USB, SD, and 12 volt ports. Gear shift, and that is where you can choose what terrain you're driving on. If you're looking for a 4-wheel drive vehicle, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Jeep out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle from Onyx and you will drive away with a smile and a full tank of gas. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!